Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily fix speaker not working on your OPPO Reno 14. So first, what you guys want to do is unlock the phone, and after that, what you guys can do is check the volume levels in the settings. So go over to the settings. Now here select sounds and vibration, and here you will be able to check the volume levels. So make sure to put them something similar to mine, but the most important one is the medium one and the call one, but we cannot change the call settings, the call volume in the settings, but we can only change it in an active call. So if you want to change it, then call up somebody and then you will be able to make sure to volume it up. Now, after that, what you guys can do is clean the speaker grill with a soft brush. So don't use anything metallic because you can only damage the grill that way. Use something soft, like a soft brush. This is the perfect example. And after that, go over to the settings and make sure that Bluetooth right here is disabled, to make sure that audio is not rerouted anywhere else, like your headphones, your speaker, or your car. So make sure to disable the Bluetooth for now, and after that, what you guys can do is update your software. It can fix a lot of major glitches, including the speaker not working. So go over to the settings and swipe down until you guys see the system and update. Click on software update right up top, and it will check for updates automatically. So as you guys can see, my version is up to date, but if yours isn't, then I recommend you guys updating it. So that'd be it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.